Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Volvo XC60 D5 all-wheel drive. So it's a four-wheel drive one. It's a facelift model. It's the R-Design top of the range. Absolutely lovely condition. R-Design alloy wheels, finished in gleaming black. It's got the twin exhaust. Boot area is in absolutely superb condition. Got the parcel shelf. So it's a D5 all-wheel drive. Rear park distance control. So the gleam on that is beautiful. It's got the R-Design Alcantara half leather trim, all in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Just started up. It's done 79,285 miles. All the warning lights go on and off as they should do. Cruise control, R-Design leather steering wheel. It's got heated seats, climate control, satellite navigation. That will come up in a minute. It absolutely drives fantastic. So it's satellite navigation, media pack, Bluetooth connectivity. Like I say, heated seats that come up there. Auto headlights. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.